Hello friends, Don here, so welcome back. In the previous video we worked with the function parameters, and let me just open here the types, and I'm going to create a new file for functions. So functions.ts, hit enter, and let's select all and cut from here and paste on the functions file. Let's save this, and I'm going to close. And now in this video I'm going to talk about the arrow functions. So arrow function is the shorthand syntax for defining the anonymous function. It omits the function keyword, so we don't need anymore the function keyword, and we can call it fat arrow like this. It is also called a lambda function. Now to create an arrow function we use this syntax, so equal sign and greater sign, and we dropped the need to use the function keyword. So let's say let, and I'm going to say arrow function. I'm going to name it arrow function, and this is going to be equal with anonymous function. And yeah, I'm going to leave it like this. So here we have parentheses, and parameters are passed in the parentheses, and the function expression is enclosed within the curly brackets. Okay. Now the fat arrow, or the equal sign and greater sign, separates the function parameters and the function body. Okay, so separates the function parameters and the function body. So let's create also an arrow function with parameters now. So I'm going to say, yeah, we can call it arrow function right now. And if I save and let's see, yeah, here we have the hello world. On the console log, if we see here, right now we have only hello world. And let's create another one, an arrow function with parameters now. Let's say let arrow function 2, and yeah, now I'm going to pass parameters here, so a and b, and here we have return a plus b, and then we can say console log arrow function 2, 1, passing 1 and 2, and then we call the arrow function 2 passing 1 and 2, and if I save, it's going to return 3, as you can see here. Okay, now furthermore, if the function body consists of only one statement, then we don't need for the curly brackets and the return keyword. So as we have here only one statement, we don't need to have, or let me just copy this and paste it down there, and I'm going to name it 3, and I'm going to leave the a and b, and because we have only one statement, we don't need the curly brackets, so let's remove the curly brackets here, and also the return keyword. We don't need the return keyword. As you can see, we have the same thing. So this arrow function 2 is the same as the arrow function 3, but here we have curly brackets and the return keyword. Here we just have the fat arrow and then a plus b, which is the same as this one. Now, if we call the arrow function 3 with the same 1 and 2 values, it's going to return 3 as well. So let me just come here. Yeah, it's returning 3, or we can see right here. So it's returning 3 here and 3 here. Okay, so keep in mind, if the function body consists of only one statement, which we have in this one, in this example, then is not need for the curly brackets and the return keyword. So we remove the curly brackets and also the return keyword, and it's going to work the same way as with curly brackets and the return keyword. So let's open now here, and I'm going to create a new file on types. I'm going to name it arrow function .ts, hit enter, and let's select all, cut from here, and I'm going to paste it in this one. Close this and save also this one and close. And let's run also here. So git add, okay, git commit, and I'm going to say arrow function here and git push. Very good. And that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy. And if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. All the best. Thank you very much.